Please go on. It's on.
Check. Focus? Yep. Can we all hit something real quick? May I please have a little bit more guitar in me right here?
We went out there and but you don't need to keep it.
Thank you, friend. Fuck yeah. Holy shit! How the hell are you guys, huh? You guys just saw Criminally Ill play.
Thank you.
Directly after us is God's favorite band, Louis Title. And I fucking appreciate every single goddamn one of you that came out tonight to support all of us, alright? Without you guys, there's no fucking local music scene. There's no fucking counterculture art. There's no fucking magic in the air without every single fucking one of you, and I'm so grateful to play for you guys tonight, alright? And I'm sure I speak on behalf of everybody. Alright guys, I want to see some energy. Everyone that's back there, get up here. We're going to have some fucking fun tonight. Everyone get the fuck up here. I want to see some dancing. I want to see some dancing. I want to see some boxing. I want to see some fucking fun, alright? This first song is called I'll Die Young.
again. Hey, who's ready for Lewis Title? We're happy. Oh, yes, thank you.
Of course, man. Hey, shit.
All right. Hey, did you guys like that fucking song? Get back up here. Get fucking up here, guys. I'm about to play as hard as I fucking can for the next 30-something minutes. I need you guys right here, right now. All right? This next song goes out to Caesar. This next song is called How About You? looking fucking sexy tonight. How are we doing again? You guys fucking look great. Hey, let's drink that song. Hey, who wants to hear a recovery? If anyone knows the lyrics, come up and sing it, alright? This song is called Were Eagles There? Sound our damn motorcycle. Woo! Alright, now what's the next song? Hey, have you guys heard our new song, The Enemy? Oh! Holy shit. This song is about your fucking media, making you feel ways you shouldn't feel. Both left and right. Fuck the left, fuck the right. Democrats and Republicans. They're all gonna kill you. They don't care about what you look like, how you identify as. They don't give a shit, you're just a fucking coin. The song is about that. gonna slow it down for you guys, all right? The song is called Don't Forget. This is what they call a bluegrass song. Holy shit, look at all the Something Outrageous merch out there. Holy fuck. You guys look fucking sexy. Oh my God. Let's keep going, all right? Holy shit. All right, we're playing a slower song than before. The song is called Everyone Dies. All right. All right. Most of my music is about the government, all right? Most of my music is about problems that I see in this fucking world every day. But this one about my current battle with cancer for 5 fucking years. And if it wasn't for you guys being here, who knows? Who knows if I would fucking be here, alright? I'm grateful for everyone who comes to these shows. I'm dedicating this song to you. This song is called In My Bones. I see the pictures and it's growing black, and now I wonder if you're calling back. God, if you're real, give me the strength I lack, cause I'm a little bit carbonated. I'm a little bit fascinated. I'm a little bit dilated. I'm a little bit, I feel it in my bones. It's in my bones. It's in my bones. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. It's in my bones. Hold it, guys, hold it. When this song comes back in, I want you guys to mosh right here. If someone falls, pick them up. I saw my name up on that dotted line. I wonder now if it's my final time. God, if you're real, give me a fucking sign, cause I'm a little bit carbonated. I'm a little bit fascinated. I'm a little bit dilated. I'm a little bit, I feel it in my bones. I'm going out, going out, going out. It's in my bones. Again, thank you guys. And this next song is called Unknown.
Make it hard!
Jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, let. Back it up, yeah. Had enough, yeah. Whatever you want, it's what I've got, and I'll things at. Had enough, yeah. There's a new band. It's about time I'm the real man. On the front line, every avenue is a dead end. Everybody is. More than no fun. Don't feel right. Don't keep done. All right, guys. We're gonna do a few more for you, all right? But first, we're gonna play you a brand new fucking song. We're going into the studio for the first time in almost 2 fucking years. And this song is gonna be on the next record. This song is called Social Hassle. I have the best drummer on fucking earth. Give it up for Mikey, alright? Give it up for Ulysses! I see you. You can't see me. I feel you. You can't feel me. I don't take these things personal. I might lose all my self-control. You choose life, I'll choose eternal. You're too slow, pick up myself. Okay, we got 2 more for you guys. If you guys like what you hear, please do us a favor. Here's your standard issue. Every band follow us right here. You ready? I'm gonna try to pitch it. You ready? If it works, please show me it works by actually doing it. Okay, here we go. Here's my standard issue. I saw the phone. She's like, I'm gonna do it. That's great. If you guys like our fucking band, Spotify, Apple Music, whatever the fuck you want, we're called Something Outrageous. Go on Instagram. Our band name is Something Outrageous. Something outrageous or something like that. Something like that. That's my best pitch. You like that? That was the best I got. I'll be real with you, I'm legally blind. I'm just kidding. But I can't see it real. You're probably right. There's not many Something Outrageous out there.
I can see.
Something Outrageous 1 through 35 was taken. So we have 36. Alright, we got 2 more for you guys, alright? Bad Crash Aftermath. We got one more for you guys. Are you guys ready for Louis Summer Report? They're getting ready for you right now. I want them to hear you. Are you guys ready for Louis Summer? They told me what had happened. They told me that I was drafted. Oh, fuck the news and all the blues and I'm feeling it everywhere. They say what to wear. They say how to dress. And then they'll fuck their kids in school and teach you to learn to learn. You know what's really nice about this venue? There's no fucking TVs on the walls. You can actually come here and watch some fucking music, am I right? It's a shit show anyways. All the TV has is bad news. And the most recent bad news that you hear, it's a little one for the rookies. It's this whole thing called Epstein Island. Apparently no one knows anything about it or something. Apparently there was like a whole compound up to Louis Idol.